this is your Pinoy Daily Relay. Okay, this is our 25th session of the year 2026, January 25th of 2026. Target is 3% and our stop loss is 15% from the current amount. Current amount is 410. Pag na-reach natin ang 425, stop na tayo. At pag natala tayo ng 15% or less, okay, 15% or less from 410, okay, which is 348 pesos, okay, mag-stop na tayo, okay, mag-stop tayo, okay. So after this na magbibet tayo. Target is 425. Alright, so let's start with first and second column. Take 10 pesos. Like always, if natalo, we always have way to run it back. Okay? Kamusta ang Sunday nyo, guys? Three. All that's tayo dun, guys. All that's. So, again, this is how to run it back. Okay? So, favorite strategy, take 30, double street. Kasi, i-post nyo na lang pag nalito kayo. Okay. Pag natalo tayo dito, guys, all that's na talaga. Huwag naman. Yun. Buti na nakalusot. So, nasa 420 na tayo. Uy, 5 pesos na lang pala. Yan tayo sa first and second dozen. Okay. Since feeling natin yun ang swerte. Alright. So, there you go. Panalo tayo ulit, guys. Okay. 425 na. Always remember, madali manalo, mahirap puminto, kaya wag maging greedy. See you when I see you. Salamat, thank you, and goodbye.